Guys, welcome back. This is Nick from Sweetie Cooking, and today I'm going to be doing a video. I don't know what, but yeah, I'm just going to be doing something random today. I've thought just to show you my cats. I've got two, got a new baby, we rescued one, so let's go. I'll just turn my light off. Yeah, it's a bit dark, you might not be able to see me, so I'll face you around. That's my Xbox area. Definitely. So dark. Wait, you see them? Hey? Yeah. They're really under the table. Holy shit, Darcy, what are you doing? She's only a baby. Oh guys, I'll just fix this problem. Alright, then she can get up. Because I'm video recording. Yeah. What are you doing? Oh, they were playing. You should have seen them. Hang on, that's good. Yeah. This is wait, I'm doing the They're playing.
No, Nicholas.
Mom, quick! Mom!
No.
Oh, that's great, guys.
Nicholas.
Stuff this.
What
are you doing? Oh shit.
Nicholas.
What? Let him play. Where's the little one going? That's his Oh wait, what's your name? He wants. Say in this one. Okay. There she is. And there's the big boy. We've had him for 2 years. Yes, Monty. Oh, you got a hair. Say hi. Dusty. Hello. Oh shit, that's the one just ran fast. Let's go see her. It's a bit dark. Okay. There she is. On top, on top. She's a little one. She can hear him. Then here's the big boy. Zoom in. Yeah, guys, I need to feed the dog. I'll be back. Oh no, I might be able to record you when I feed the dog. He might jump and knock the camera. That's the only thing I'm worried about. So if he knocks the camera, then I'd be in big trouble because it's my camera. I'm doing this with one hand. And there's this dog thing there. Yes, there's a second. I need to check if he's very good food. Sniff it out. He's like, oh, let me introduce. No, you're not coming. Mom, it's bad. That's all nice. You didn't even feed me. He's so adorable. Yeah. Yeah, I've got a bed. She's zooming in. Zoom out. He's like, and there he is. Oh, that was good. Where's she? Okay. Oh, there he goes. Come on, Dusty. No, there she is. There she is. They're fighting again. They're fighting. I'm quick. Oh shit, that hurt. That bit my toe. That bit my toe. I think Pepper's gonna come that way. Jump on top of the chair, or she just. Oh, which chair did she jump on? I have no idea. I need to see. I might not be able to get her up. She's somewhere. Could be able to do it on that camera there. I decided to do it on my, own camera. It's better. Again, and look at it. Are they gonna start fighting or not? Oh, nice and bright. I can't even see the camera. What are you doing, friends? We've had the little one for, we've had the big one for 2 years. We've had that one for 2 months or 3. It's still pretty good. Stay with him. Took a month for her to stay with him, or a week. Don't worry, it's just little big riots. Look at that one. I'm trying to find. Sorry. Oh! Chase after him! Chase after him! Chase after him! I can believe. Wait a second. Mom, quick! Oh, you missed it! Mom, quick! Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you back next time. Bye!